up.
Yo, we're doing a YouTube video. We're about to die right here.
So we're like about to make like a really stupid choice. We're on a metal trampoline right now. While it's lightning and thundering and raining. So like yeah. And like
Hey, film this real quick.
oh!
YouTube channel is 21 Savage. We have no lightning strikes yet.
Yeah, we haven't got any lightning strikes yet in the past, what, 3 to 4 minutes?
Exactly.
Oh, stop it.
Strawberries.
Look at that pretty house over there. That is ugly AF.
That's Allie's house, guys. Film this little goofer.
Yo, I'm staying up here. I gotta record this.
Okay, guys. Oh!
No, that was over there in the woods.
Yeah.
That hog better have died. So did that girl. Guys, it's going right over us. Ah! There was a ball in here. Ooh.
Wow, those birds are savage. Birds are savage. Hi, savage birds. Yeah.
Keelan, didn't we ride our metal bikes here?
Yep, we went. Ooh. We went. Ooh. Hey, this is on YouTube, guys.
What do you think I'm doing? Like, what the hell?
I landed up, but I suck anyways. Almost landed that.
Do the flip and look sexy. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. You guys missed a perfectly good lightning strike.
I didn't. His flip and sexy was a perfectly good lightning strike.
Yeah.
What the hell?
That bird is savage.
Ha!
They're savage.
Alright, I gotta see if I can find some.
It was right there. It was right over there. So?
I would have saw dirt flying, you liar. I must have.
Jump, come on, you gotta get this second.
Oh shit.
Shit.
Shut up.
I like chains. Hey, you guys, stay
Oof.
here for 4 lightning. We already did 3. That's 1. No, you can do 4. Bro, we can do more than just 4.
Yeah. If I'm recording this, we all good. 7! Oh wait, I don't think I got it. No! You stupid AF bird. Oh. Keelan, you got some Batman underwear on. I saw that.
Yeah. Don't pay me. Don't pay me. Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it.
Hey, you.
I'll see if there's more.